All right, so at the time of recording this, it is officially March 7th, 2025 at around like 12:30 in the morning. So, welcome back to another armor update. This is the second one of this little Iron Man series. And so far, I have gotten a lot more printed out, but you've probably noticed I started printing or painting and priming more of the armor. So, for the record, this is not the final paint job, but I'm sticking with this for now just because I wanted to see results. So I started spray painting a lot of it red just to get an idea of how things are coming along, what needs to get better, and probably going to be hard to tell just given how dark it is out, but there is definitely going to need a patch on some areas of color. There's definitely some little rough spots on here, mostly due to tape and just some other fall damage, I guess. And then I've also started priming some of the other parts. I was able to get the forearm soldered together with some of the other pieces. So I'll have a hinge connecting between the bicep and the forearm right here. I got the repulsor hands on both sides. So I've done more work on the right arm, mostly using that as a test arm to verify that everything works, and so far it does. The only thing that I'm going to need to fix eventually are the bicep parts. It's not really a rush right now, but eventually I'm probably gonna have to reprint them and make them a little smaller, so that way I can achieve more of a 90-degree movement or 90-degree rotation with my forearm. So it's not really a rush right now. Like I said, I'm not in any rush to get that done, but eventually I will probably have to do that. We'll go over here, and I got more done with the lower body, so I pretty much got the waist parts done. They're not soldered, they're just taped together right now, but I'm gonna have to solder these together, not like connecting them. I'm gonna have probably a hinge and like a little like push latch connecting them with the exoskeleton I'm building. But obviously I gotta sand it. It looks horrible on the top of these, but that'll get done, no big deal. And then I've started working on the lower leg area, so I got like the right foot all done printed. It's not proportional at all right now, but I'm working on that still. And then we got the lower leg part right here, and it's coming along pretty well. We'll come around here so you can see the back. For the record, everything, it looks very messy right here just because I have not taken the supports off some of the pieces yet, and I just poorly taped this thing together. Again, bear with me, it's like 12 in the morning, almost 1 probably. So yeah, I've been working on this thing for about an hour, putting this together just so I can get another update out. And then on the back right here, just got some more pieces assembled. So we got some of the flaps right here. I also put some of the more flaps, some of the upper flaps right here as well. So once again, I've mostly been painting a lot of the back and everything else just so I can see results, but everything is going to get repainted. Come back around to the front right here. And this brings us back to everything we have done so far. As of recording this, I'm going to be on spring break next week. So because of the fact I am currently in college, I'm kind of distracted by a thing called school, unfortunately. So because of that, it's kind of kept me from working a lot on the armor like I wanted to. So now that I have spring break, I'm going to be working on my exoskeleton. That will be powered by a pneumatic system. So just using Arduinos and pneumatic cylinders and just a lot of electronics and programming and just cool stuff like that. So to make this look a little bit more than just a fine arts project, I'm actually making this like engineered basically. So there's going to be a lot of really cool things with this armor. Doesn't look like much right now, but I can promise that it's going to be amazing when it's all done. I'm hoping to have every single part of the armor printed out by the end of the month. Already working on some more parts at this moment. I'm getting to pretty much finishing all of the legs right now, and then I'll move up to the torso area, and I'm pretty sure that should be about it printing wise. Alright, and that will do it for update 2. My apologies I did not get a video out in February. I intended to, but I decided I'd rather wait till I have a bit more to show here than rush production and sacrifice quality. So the good news is I have a little bit more to show off here. Not too much, but enough to make a video and discuss current plans and the current processes to where I'm at, what's going on. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next update.